Master cellist David Geringas and the Art Vio Ensemble are playing an evening of exclusively Lithuanian music.
What do you want? What do you want from me? You want to dance with me?
Wollt ihr mit mir vielleicht tanzen?
Ja, dann off we go.
They have a reason to celebrate. This event falls right on the 25th anniversary of Lithuania's independence.
It's a great chapter in our history. It's an important chapter. And I'm happy to be able to experience a musical event like this in Berlin, to remind us of it and give an overview of what Lithuania has to offer.
The German Finance Ministry is showcasing the variety of Lithuanian music in its series, The Sound of Europe. Martinez, as he calls himself, is 24 and very popular among his countrymen. He started playing accordion at the age of 3. As a teenager, he was winning competitions the world over. In 2010, he graduated from the Royal Academy of Music in London. Now he divides his time between there and Vilnius, the Lithuanian capital.
I play with quite a few orchestras back home in Lithuania, and it happens fairly often. And I'm very happy because it's happening, and it seems to be as a very active musical cultural scene back home in Lithuania.
Lithuania, with a population of just 3 million, joined the European Union in 2004. Vilnius is the center of its cultural life. In 2009, the city was a European capital of culture. Another big step towards becoming part of Europe was introducing the euro at the start of 2015. Back in Berlin, it's clear that singing is of great importance in Lithuania. And right now, singer-songwriter Oliva is enjoying great success. This special polyphone type of singing, known as sutartinės, is part of an ages-old musical tradition in Lithuania. Since 2008, sutartinės has been recognized by UNESCO as part of the World Cultural Heritage. And Vytautas Kamijus is a virtuoso on an instrument that also has a special place in Lithuanian culture. The bibina is a wind instrument that's quite similar to a clarinet.
This instrument made from wood, cow horn, and mastic like a clarinet. We need to take reeds like clarinet, and that's all. It's bibina, national instrument.
David Geringas was able to study at the Moscow State Conservatory in the Soviet Union. Still, he's happy that nowadays young Lithuanian musicians have more opportunities open to them.
Now everyone learns everywhere. Since the Berlin Wall fell, everything has opened up. Now the students don't just study in Lithuania, Moscow or St. Petersburg. They study in Berlin, Cologne, London, Paris, and the US. And that brings with it a great variety of influences.
The sounds of Lithuania resonate at the German Finance Ministry. Other countries will also make guest appearances here. In December, it's Luxembourg's turn.